and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got some more Madam Glam polishes to swatch for you. This time round Madam Glam asked me if there was any colours that I would like to try, and in my previous video I'd done a set of nails using the neon colours that they sent me. I really wanted a nude for that and ended up using a nude colour from a different brand, so I thought it'd be really nice to get some nudes from Madam Glam. I love a good nude polish. I use nude polishes all the time, quite a lot of my sets have nude in them, so I knew that was definitely something I would love to try for Madam Glam. So they have kindly sent me 3 different nude polishes. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending these to me. I'm really excited to swatch them today. So what we got here, we've got this sort of muted pink colour which is called Sakura. It looks absolutely gorgeous. We've got this sort of deep nude sort of brown colour called XOXO, and then we've got this final one here which is kind of like a jelly polish I think, and it's called Bloom, which looks like a very sort of natural nude colour. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be swatching them all individually. I'll do half and half matte and glossy top coats so you guys can see what they look like either way, and then I'm going to try and do a design using these 3 colours, which I'm really excited for. So I'm going to dive straight into the video, but before I do, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's dive in and get swatching. So I'm going to start off by just giving all my swatch sticks a layer of the Madam Glam base coat. This is a really nice base coat. It's a really good consistency. It cures really nicely, and I do really like it. I don't normally give my swatch sticks a base coat, but I thought I would just show you guys this one. If you like the look of any of the products in this video today, you can use my discount code, which is SammyJo30. I'll pop that up on the screen for you, but that'll get you 30% off of everything at Madam Glam. I am going to start off with Sakura. This looks like a really, yeah, look at that. Really beautiful muted pink colour. Kind of looks like strawberry milkshake. It's got that sort of pink resemblance to it. I really like that colour actually, and you guys can see like how pigmented these are with one coat. They are really top quality gel polishes. They come in 15ml bottles, so really good size considering like mass majority of them you only need the one coat. As you can see there, they are vegan, they're cruelty free, 9-free formula and HEMA free. They have a 12-month life on them. You've got all the ingredients listed on the bottles. They're all really nice bottles as well. I love the fact that they always put the swatch button on top. It's one less job for me to do, so I really appreciate that. And yeah, they're all round really nice gel polishes. Next up, I'm going in with Bloom, which like I said is a jelly polish. So it is quite sheer, but it's intended to be sheer. That is what a jelly polish is. They're sort of semi-transparent. So they have a pop of colour, but you can still see through them. They've been really popular lately actually. I've seen a lot of different companies releasing jelly gels. I'm seeing a lot of people using them, and even I've sort of grown to like them. I didn't like jelly polish at first, but yeah, I'm quite liking them now. But yeah, that is Bloom. And then finally we have got XOXO. This might be a jelly as well actually. Yeah, I think this is a jelly gel as well. Absolutely gorgeous colour. But I quite like the jelly gels, like the nude ones, because you can build them up. So you can either just do like one nice thin coat and just get like a hint of colour, which is great if you just want like natural healthy looking nails without being too fancy. Or you can build them up, put 2-3 coats on and build up a really nice nude colour. So quite versatile in that sense. But yeah, that's a good layer of that one. So I have just given the swatch sticks another coat of colour, and now I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam glossy top coat and also a matte top coat, half and half, just to show you guys what they look like either way. So this top coat has a really nice formula. It has next to no odour. Some of the gel polishes, like the colour gel polishes, do have a scent, but it's not unpleasant. It kind of smells like bubblegum. Not all of them have that, only I've noticed a couple, like this particular pink one does, but it literally just smells like bubblegum. It's quite nice. But otherwise, like, there's no unpleasant odour with them. Their formulas are so creamy for the coloured gels, and the top coat and base coat is like not too runny, not too thick. They're really nice. They are really nice. I can't fault them at all. They've got a real nice shine to them, as you can see there. and again they're 15ml bottles, so they're really good. So there we go, that is the 3 colours all swatched. So we have got XOXO here on the right, we have got Bloom in the centre there, and then we have got Sakura on the left there. Like I said with these two, they are quite sheer, but I think that's intentional, so you can just do 1 layer if you just want a nice natural healthy looking nail without it being like really bright and noticeable. It's great for if you're in school or at workplace or whatnot where you're not allowed to have bright coloured nails but you want them to look healthy. That's what these are great for. Or like I said, you can layer them up a bit. I've put 2 layers of each here. You can layer them up a bit if you want that colour to be a bit more sort of pigmented, but they're really nice colours and I think they look great both glossy and matte, so yeah, really happy with these. So next up I have got my silicone hand out here. We're going to do a quick nail design. I'm not going to do nothing too fancy because I don't want the video to go on for ages, but we're just going to do a cute little design using these 3 colours that I've got here today. Unfortunately I've had to use natural tips as my clear tips I ordered that arrived in the country about a month ago still have not arrived at my door, so unfortunately I'm stuck with natural tips for the time being. But yeah, we're going to crack on and let's do a nice quick little design with these colours. So I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give them all a coat of Bloom. I think I might just leave the ring finger bare for the moment and I might use Sakura on that one. Okay, so I have given 3 of the nails a couple of coats of the Bloom gel polish, and then on the ring finger there I've given it 1 coat of the Sakura gel polish. I have cured them, top coated them and then buffed off the shine, ready to do some painting on them. So I have seen this particular design floating around the internet quite a lot. Lots of people have been doing it. I'm not too sure what you'd call it, whether it'd be like an abstract French style nail, like, because it's like French tip but not quite French tip. Not really too sure what to call it. I've never been very good with my terms, as if you watch me on a regular basis you will already know I'm really not very good at describing what I'm doing, but you guys will see anyway. So I'm just going to try and get these lines as neat as I possibly can, but I'm a shaky mess and that's clearly not going to go to plan. This has been quite a popular design. I've seen just so many people with it lately, so I thought I'd give it a go myself. I thought it'd go quite nicely with these nude colours, but I just can't do a straight line to save my life at the moment. I'm just going to do something similar on this side. Like so, and then I think I'll do the same again this side. I don't know why I sung that. I'm just doing a thin coat, but I am going to go over in a moment and do another coat over the same bits just to make that colour pop a bit more. So there we go, we have these with a couple of coats of the XOXO gel polish on them. I'm now going to go in with some of the Sakura light pink and just sort of do these lines. You guys will see, like I said, rubbish with descriptions. So I'll do it on this one. So line. I'm really shaky today, this is not helping my painting at all. This one, I think I'm actually going to do it across the colour. And then the same again on the pinky. And I think I'm going to leave it relatively simple like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cure this, I'm going to tidy it up a little bit, I'm going to add some rhinestones onto the ring finger there, top coat them all, and then I'll be back to show you the finished design. Okay, so there we go, that is the finished results. I have completely butchered that rhinestone placement, it's not my strong point, but I decided to do the design matte as I just feel like it shows the colours more. Yeah, overall I'm really happy with these gel polishes. I always am with Madam Glam polishes. They are so nice. Their formulas are so creamy and so lovely to work with, full of healthy ingredients that aren't bad for your nails, and all round they are top quality. So yeah, full on my recommendation list as always. That is it for today's video anyway. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending out these polishes to me. I really do love them. I wouldn't tell you guys that I loved them if I didn't love them. I really do love them. I think they're top quality. They are a little bit more high end, but they're worth it because they are, like, you know, the best type of gel polish you can get really. And like I said, I do have a discount code which is SammyJo30, which will get you 30% off, which is a really good amount. You know, you can save yourselves loads and get yourself some top quality gel polish. I will leave these 3 links in the description box. I'll also link my other 2 Madam Glam videos I have done also if you'd like to watch those. And yeah, other than that, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!